Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. Happy Veterans Day, and if you served, thank you for your service. All right, so after a pretty significant amount of research and looking into it, the brakes on this thing. It seems that there are a couple different options that I could go. There's a big vacuum leak happening. That's just so hard. Okay. So the brakes on this thing. I could get a whole separate system that would bolt in and be a dual pot master cylinder with a new master cylinder. But that would require for me to replumb the whole system. This isn't really something I want to do. So I have the option to change out just the booster and move forward from there. If the booster is working, I can figure out if the master cylinder... I can itch on the end of my nose. Yeah. If the booster's working, I can figure out if the master cylinder's working. If the master cylinder's working, I can, then move down the system to the individual wheels. I know it's got at least one brand new caliper. I'm hoping that it actually happened all the way around. My real issue here is there are apparently two different styles of brake booster. And I believe this is the Bendix crimped style. Let's try and get in there a little bit better. And the other one apparently bolts together. I'm going to have to get up inside the dash in order to take that bracket off. I think I'd take the booster, leave the bracket maybe. I think I can get in there to get the... there is not a lot of room. I think the easy way to do that is the hood's gonna have to come off, and the hood, yeah, probably the hood hinges as well, or at least this one. Yeah. It's gonna be a big project regardless, but hopefully somebody out there can tell me if my suspicions are correct, that this is indeed the Bendix crimped style versus the other one that I cannot remember the name of it, that is a bolt together, and I believe that is the crimped style. So there's a quick grand that it's going to cost me, but yeah, slow but sure, we'll pick away at it, make it happen. Oy. So many things. Alright, so this is just going to be a little quick update for today, and happy Veterans Day. Once again, I think it's appropriate to be naming this car Hank. Man, I hate to take that hood off. It closes so well right now. All right, so that's that. And let's get that wonderful T-Bird in there. Oh yeah. Thanks a lot for watching. Click subscribe, the bell icon, like, comment, share. All that, you know the scenario. Thanks. Have a super good day. Bye. Lemony Jello is not sure about Hank. He doesn't like the outdoors very much. Check it all out, buddy. What do you think? Come up here? No?